Okay, guys. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, sir.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you are most welcome here again. This is day number 4, and we are going to discuss upon the fourth topic of our series of group discussion. Right?
Yes, sir.
चौथे टॉपिक की हम लोग ग्रुप डिस्कशन के लिए आज एक बार फिर से असेंबल हुए हैं और टुडेज टॉपिक इज न्यूक्लियर फैमिली वर्सेस जॉइंट फैमिली. So listen me carefully. All the do's and don'ts you have to follow. First of all, you all have maintain a proper position. There should be a proper sitting position. Put your palms on your thighs. Raise your chest a bit. Straight your back little bit. Clear? Okay. The second important information for you, important instruction for you is that while your officer is speaking, you have a proper eye contact with him or her. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this group discussion, you all must have proper eye contact with me in round first, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Secondly, while it's a time for group discussion, nobody will notice me. Nobody will look towards me while it's a time for group discussion. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Secondary, the next information for you, instruction is that speak clearly, speak loudly so that your officers can notice you properly. Maintain your chest number properly so that we can score properly, noticing your chest number at any angle while you are sitting in front of you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third thing is, try to initiate the group discussion. Everybody will try to initiate the group discussion if you have a good knowledge of the given topic. Or I think I should say that you must initiate the group discussion. It will lead your score. It will increase your score very rapidly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then after, you should try to cooperate your group mates. If somebody is trying to speak or delivering his statement, then you should cooperate him. The group cooperation, it's a good symbol towards your success, right?
Yes, sir.
So show your leadership to cooperate your group mates. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Remember that you are individually will noticed in a group and you are a group in an individual. ग्रुप में अकेले को नोटिस किया जाता है, अकेले में पूरे ग्रुप को नोटिस किया जाता है. इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन करना है. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
ओके. सो शुड वी स्टार्ट राइट नाउ?
Yes, sir.
We are straight going to start activity number 2 and second activity is straight group discussion. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all are ready?
Yes, sir.
जो कोई भी बोले जोर से बोलना है, ठीक है? इनिशिएट का तरीका मैंने बताया. जब फिश सेलिंग होती है तो किस तरह से आपको उसको ओवरकम करना है, कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, सिचुएशन को हैंडल करना है, सारी चीज़ें आप बिल्कुल अच्छे से करेंगे. रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to start group discussion right now. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning,
The group discussion on topics joint family and single family. In joint family, parents elder parent. There will be more privacy in joint family. Parents.
In joint family, elder parents are get help of her childrens and younger parents are
There will be more privacy for
younger
everyone in the
parents get
joint family.
help of
In the nuclear family, where
their-
there will be less privacy for everyone in the joint family.
There will not be many conflicts with extended family.
Yes, I am fully agree with this estimate 40. In joint family, children will have guidance and support their grandparents. They when both the parents are.
I am fully agree with you. Grandparents and with
Yes, I fully agree with you. In children of a joint family are children of nuclear family are easily attracted to bad habits and bad company, whereas children of nuclear family joint family cannot easily attracted to bad habit because they are under guidance and surveillance of their grandparents.
Because
having cousins on their family.
In joint family, festival and functions are super funny.
Festival and fun are superficial in joint family.
Parents can save money for their kids in future. Yes, people are sport in the joint family.
It is
It
very
is very
easy to
helpful.
convince everyone in the in the nuclear family compare the joint family.
Parents can save the money.
More
Yes.
gender equality in the.
So this is very helpful when both parents are working.
People who grew up in joint family can easily mingle with any other person in the outside world.
It's
In
easy
joint
to
family,
convince
people are
everyone in the
understand-
family to discuss about the
In joint family, child kidnapping is lesser than because there are many members in their family to look after child.
there will be more gender equality in nuclear family. Kids are guidance and support the grandparents when both parents are working.
In my opinion, the joint family is a cost-effective unit, but rents will be saved and financial responsibility will reduce the burden on everyone.
Children will learn the importance of education from childhood.
Incident of human trafficking and child kidnapping is increasing. There is lesser than joint family because of more members
attracted to bad habit and
taking care of children.
friend easily.
People
In joint family, people are
important
learn to
adjustment.
In joint family, people are learn to adjust by childhood and people.
There is no
Yes, just number 63 people are sport in the joint family is very well.
In joint family,
People can easily
It is very
sustain their
difficult to
life
convince.
in case of sudden job losses.
Adults in nuclear family will learn to be independent and they will learn how to manage their family and take responsibility of their family and support their family, and same will be followed by the child of nuclear family, and therefore they can also sustain themselves when they migrate to new area for work and live their own.
And
Parents can save money,
when
save
both
them
persons are working, it is more difficult to
plenty of conflicts,
caring their child.
Joint family when convince each other because of more memory.
I am agree with you. It is very difficult in joint family to convince all the members in the family, but it is very easy in the nuclear family to convince all the members because there are very few members in the family.
In nuclear family, people may get attracted to bad habits and bad friends. Both parents are working and difficult to manage kids. Kids are attractive to easily in bad friends and bad habits.
People in joint family will have support of each other, and in my opinion, the nuclear family is better than joint family because it provide a peaceful environment among the children.
May be many conflicts in sharing household work and financial problems. People are sport in joint family because many people in this family all are caring the children.
There will be less possibility everyone in the joint family because and compared than the nuclear family.
They leave their parents and
With the future of kids.
Just number 94, I am agree with you. Child will follow the same trend and they will leave their parents as they will start earning, and this will cause loneliness to elderly parents of nuclear family.
More privacy in a nuclear family, it's easily give the opinion in the taking decision.
In nuclear family, parents are
Also get the support of children in younger parents that help of their parents in raising kids also.
People in
Both
joint
parents
family will have
are working. This
will have
is difficult to
Yes, I
manage
am
kids.
agree with you. Just number 73. When both parents are working, it will be more difficult to manage kids, and most
Incidents of
Money
kidnapping
for
are
everyone in the joint
increasing
family,
but in
for
joint
everyone in the nuclear
there are
family,
more members
whereas there will be less
to
privacy for
support
everyone in the
children.
nuclear family. Sorry, in the joint family.
kids will have guidance and support their grandparents and joint family.
People in joint family also the quality of support. So rents can be saved easily.
In joint family, elder parents are get help of their children, and young parents are get help of their parents.
Younger parents will
to
be help
manage
the
it.
grandparents to training kids.
In nuclear family, parents can save.
Keep continue.
Unit rent will be saved and share finance and responsibility will reduce the pressure
Yes,
on
number 29, I
everyone.
agree with you. In joint family, financial responsibilities are share among the people of everyone. So this will reduce the burden on everyone in the joint family.
Yes, kids are guiding and support of grandparents when both parents are working. This is a super great help.
People who are raised in
Loudly.
joint family.
Yes, number 79, I am agree with you. People who were raised grew up in joint family can easily mingle with other people in the outside world, and they know the importance of adjustment.
Function and
Joint
festival
family-
will be
joint family
super
save
money in
Joint family save cost prices.
people will less go
in joint family people do not suffer from depression and loneliness.
children follow same trade. They leave their parents and they start earning once in
Yes,
nuclear
I
family.
agree with you, and they start earning, and this will not cause loneliness to their elder parents in joint family. In nuclear family,
People will less privacy for family members in nuclear family.
Parents can save the money from future of the kids. This is a wonder expensive.
Okay, guys. So group discussion is going to be dismissed. It was healthy and cooperative group discussion. Though a little bit of errors committed by you, the mistakes were made by you. So I'm going to describe that what kind of mistakes you are repeating since last 4 discussions, right? So 50 to 60% have been improved so far. What kind of mistakes you are making previously? So one statement I usually used to tell you that success is all about to correcting our mistakes. बताया कि नहीं बताया?
Yes, sir.
यदि मिस्टेक्स में करेक्शन कर लिया जाता है तो सक्सेस डेफिनेट है. ओके, किस तरह की मिस्टेक्स है? वर्ड्स को अननेसेसरीली प्लूरल बना देना. ठीक है, जो ऑलरेडी प्लूरल है उसमें एस इंक्लूड करना बहुत ही गलत हैबिट है. चिल्ड्रंस का यूज किया गया है बहुत बार इस ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. पीपल्स का भी किसी बच्चे ने यूज किया है. पीपल्स, चिल्ड्रंस, वुमेन्स, ये नहीं होता है, बहुत बार बताया है. कॉम्पिटेंस दिखाएं. चेस्ट नंबर 65, 67, 83, 94. तुम्हारा कॉम्पिटेंस कब जागेगा भाई? ये बहुत ही नेगेटिव एफर्ट आपके द्वारा. हाँ, आज चेस्ट नंबर 65 ने भी बोलने का एफर्ट किया ज़रूर है. चेस्ट नंबर 94 ने भी ज़रूर एफर्ट किया है. चेस्ट नंबर 80 आप पार्टिसिपेट कम कर रहे हैं, आपको थोड़ा और पार्टिसिपेट करने की ज़रूरत है. आपका टॉपिक पर नॉलेज और कमांड बहुत अच्छी है, जैसा कि मैंने टॉपिक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे देखा था. आपका इंट्रोड्यूस करने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है, फ्लुएंसी बहुत शानदार है, बट स्टिल you need it to improve and you require to participate at least 4 or 5 times while the group discussion is going on, right?
Yes.
वर्ड्स पे स्ट्रेस लगाना, जोर देना, ये कम नहीं हुआ अभी भी. स्पेशली द गाय चेस्ट नंबर 72 belongs to Pali, right? You should not use stress on the words unnecessarily. Mind my point. Clear? If you guys out of you are using low pitch voice, so guys loud voice में आप अपने स्टेटमेंट को रखें ताकि आपके ऑफिसर्स आपको बहुत अच्छे से नोटिस कर सके. इतना लाउड और हरासिंग वॉइस भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि वो अनवांटेड लगे या अनशूटेबल लगे ग्रुप के लिए. ठीक है, इतनी प्रॉपर साउंड होनी चाहिए कि आपकी साउंड में कॉन्फिडेंस हो और लाउडली इतनी लाउड हो कि वो मुझे अच्छे से सुनाई दे, आपके ऑफिसर्स को अच्छे से सुनाई दे सके. क्लियर? ओके, नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम आपकी, आप बैठे बैठे अपनी पोजीशन को भूल जाते हैं पोजीशन को मेंटेन रखें। आप अपने हाथों के गेस्चर्स कर सकते हैं, वो अलाउड है। उंगली नहीं दिखा सकते, गलत गेस्चर नहीं कर सकते, बट हाथ का इस तरह से आप गेस्चर कर सकते हैं। किसी चेस्ट नंबर की तरफ आप इशारा कर सकते हैं, वो गलत नहीं है, बट पोजीशनिंग को आप मेंटेन करके रखें, ठीक है। जिन गाइस ने पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया है उनको पार्टिसिपेट करना ही होगा। आपने आज पार्टिसिपेट करने का एफर्ट किया, but due to some other activity was involved while the group discussion, the remaining candidate will did not try to participate. Okay? कल से ऐसा नहीं होगा। कल से आप जो है वो एक एक्टिविटी को हटा देंगे जो कि आपकी वीडियोग्राफी होती है, उसको इसी डिस्कशन को आज हम फिर से लेंगे इवनिंग में, लेट नाइट। उस टाइम हम देख लेंगे, उस टाइम आपको बिना वीडियोग्राफी के इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना है। क्लियर? सो ऑल ओवर देखा जाए तो काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा। 6 नंबर 65, 67, 83, 94 को छोड़कर के सभी बच्चे पास होने के कगार पे हैं। अभी अपना 4th ग्रुप डिस्कशन ही हुआ है, अभी हमें बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस करने बाकी है। सो एक टॉपिक मैं आपको अभी सजेस्ट करूँगा थोड़ी देर बाद में, उस पर हम फिर से ग्रुप डिस्कशन करेंगे। तो गाइस किसी प्रकार की ग्रुप डिस्कशन से रिलेटेड सजेशन आपको चाहिए या फिर कोई मटेरियल चाहिए तो आप मुझे डायरेक्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं। जुड़े रहिए मेरे चैनल से। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।